new topic, how do organisms reproduce. In this lesson, we will study how unicellular organism as well as multicellular organism perform the process of reproduction. So first of all, we will see what is the meaning of reproduction. What do you mean by reproduction? What is reproduction? In simple terms, we can say reproduction is the process in which new organism comes in existence by pre-existing one. So here pre-existing organism produce new one. So producing, reproduction means producing new organism by pre-existing organism. By pre-existing organism of its own kind. Of its own kind. Which is physically independent. Totally independent with their parents or from pre-existing one. That is called as the process of reproduction. Now what is the importance of this process? What is the significance of this process? Why reproduction is essential? Simply, reproduction is essential for continuity of life. For continuity of life. Or we can say the process is essential for continuity of species on this planet. If process of reproduction will not be there, organism will not be reproduced, then species will not survive. There is a particular lifespan of each and every species. So after that particular period of lifespan, that species will no more. And slowly that race or that species will be extinct from the planet. So for the continuity of race or continuity of species or continuity of life, the process of reproduction is very essential. Second most important part or important feature of reproduction is it helps to maintain by maintaining birth and death ratio. Birth and death ratio. If reproduction will not be there, then once after particular lifespan, species will die. So the process of reproduction helps to maintain birth and death ratio so that there is a balance in ecosystem related with all type of organism. All organism shows the process of reproduction. Even microbes, plants, animals, unicellular, multicellular, each and every organism shows process of reproduction. So what is important for reproduction? What are the important characteristics of reproduction? What are the characteristics of reproduction? Which things are essential for reproduction? First of all, in the process of reproduction, DNA replication is one of the important process. DNA replication is one of the important step or important process for reproduction. Secondly, cell division. Cell division is even one of the important process. Then cell differentiation. Only merely division is not enough. Differentiation is essential. Then cell growth. Growth is even one of the important part. Whatever cell divide, whatever cell differentiate, those cells have to grow. So that these cells will form tissue, tissue forms organ, organ forms system, and in this way multicellular organization will be developed. And most important thing, development of reproductive parts or organs to produce multicellular organization. To produce multicellular organization. So these are some of the important things related with reproduction. Definition of reproduction, importance of reproduction, and characteristics of reproduction. So here we have discussed what is reproduction. Now we have to discuss the one by one each part, that what is DNA replication, what happens during DNA replication, why DNA replication is important one. So all these things we will see in the next class.